So Santa Claus came today for me. My Makita 7104L Chain Mortiser. Let's get it over and open it up. It'll be in the top box. This is from Timber Wolf Tools. We'll have to look at this app later. What else is in the top box? Owner's manual. So the bill of lading, ooh, look at there it is. It says the thing weighs 51 pounds. Let's see. Oh, this is the chain oil I bought. I'll put this aside. Let me put this down while I get it out. This box. We got some more chain oil and some kind of adjustment tool. Adjustment tool being a wrench. I'll put this over with the other oil. Okay, I stopped. Let's look at the rest of this. What else we got there? Yes, don't want to throw the baby out with the bathwater. So where can I put this so I can better demonstrate? Well, it's heavy, that's for sure. Okay, let's take a look. All right, so there's the 11/16 chain, 18 millimeter. There's a tie wrap I gotta cut. Let's see, can I get in there? There it goes. Alrighty. Let's get the cord. Nice long cord. The kid is very good about that. Alright. This is a lock. Oh yeah, that starts it so it can go down. Alright, let me pull it back up. Let's see. So, it clamps onto a beam here, and then you can make adjustments with it with here. So crank and center or line your chain up here with the mortise that you want to make down, that'll be marked on the beam. And then you use this locks it onto the beam, and after you make your first set of cuts, you can hit this, one or the other. Let me see. Oh, I'm sorry, it's already in its widest position. Let's roll it out some. Oh yeah. Alright, so there you go. So you start in one position, roll it down, make your cuts. And then you can make a second width by hitting that. It'll shoot over there. And then it also has a connection so that when you can plunge down with one, and you click it. Where is it? Hit it, and I'll click over one. Oh, that's two. That's one, and then two. See, it kicks over, and you can do 3 widths. Let's go back to its resting position. All right, very cool. Let's see how the chain attaches up there. Now, what I have learned is you do not want to have to, I don't want to have to buy a spare chain for this because they're $500. All right. Well, I'm excited to get back onto my shop, and this tool will make it way easier. Y'all have a good night.
What is this that you're doing?
I am making a mortise with the Makita Chain Mortiser.
Now you're blowing dust.
First I just gotta touch it, see if I'm in the right place or if I have to make an additional adjustment.
Did it at an angle?
That just makes, what that does is it actually will click over 2 positions, so you can actually cut down a wider section. If I do that and I only have a tiny bit left, when I move it over it makes it hard to do, so on this one I only do 2. And then I have to adjust it back to do an addition. I have to do 2 additional cuts and then move it over and square off the other end.
How do you know how far to go?
I've got it marked, pre-marked, and I know how deep I gotta go, and I set the depth stop to do that. And I do that last sweep at the bottom to clean out the bottom to make it
Square?
well, cleaner bottom at any rate. I do the same thing here. I just touch it and just have to make any more adjustments. Now I have to move it over to get the last part of the mortise. result. Beautifully square mortise. And it saves my shoulders from all that chisel work. And that's it.